Hey folks, today we're going to check out this SLR Discoverer. Let's go have a look. Let's start here. It has a drop-down fridge slide. Moving around the van, it's feature pack. This is an off-road, full off-road caravan as well. So you've got all your CB radios and stuff in there, which I don't know a lot about, but I'm sure you do. External plugs, there's heaps of these by the way, heaps of external plugs, external speakers. It has the pull-out kitchen, which has your sink, gas cooktops, all your drawers for storage. Great little setup, that one. As we move around the van, it has the two spares on the back as well. As I said, this is a full off-road van. Ladder up onto the roof to extend your aerials and all that kind of stuff. It has solar batteries, of course, as you'd expect in something like this. Now let's quickly jump inside the van. So here we are inside the van now. It does have a 3 kilo front load washing machine there. Moving around here, you've got your shower and toilet. Shower through here. Shower. Toilet, cafe seating just here, plenty of room for 4 adults, no problems here at all. Oh, very comfortable seats as well, and good sized table, get your meals there, lovely. As you can see over here, there is a large 2-door fridge. You got your oven and cooktop here as well as a little sink. As you come around here to your sleeping area, an east-west bed, a really good size in fact. Plenty of room there for yourself and whoever else might be with you. In here, you have huge, massive wardrobe. That's what I love about the east-west bed layout. You get bigger wardrobe space down at the front here. So let me just open up the other side for you so you can see that too. Even more space through here. Wardrobe space, or cupboard space, whatever you use it as, I guess. And then through here, more space. That's what I love about this east-west bed, as I said. Over there, you do have your Sirocco fan. You got bedside lights, you got power cables over there as well, you got your TV, another Sirocco at the end of the bed, speakers in the roof, air conditioning. This has got solar, it's got batteries, as I said before, it's got plenty of features. If you want to come out and check out this van, make sure you come to 750 Port Wakefield Road, or give us a call on 8285 5000. My team would be more than happy to show you through it, and let's go camping. Thanks guys.